Hello guys, welcome to the Money Reload channel, the tutorial channel that gives you an idea of making money online with a simple strategy. Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get notified my new update video on how make money
Today,
online. I'll show you a way that you can create a single account on a single website and still combine all the profits. I'm going to show you a way you can earn free PayPal money cash codes in. Now, this is a way of making money online that I absolutely love. And the best part about it is that you can take advantage of it as a complete beginner. And even your age matters in this process. And not even your age matters in this process. Because you can withdraw your profits straight into your PayPal balance. And in order to create the PayPal account, as you might know, you don't need to have a debit or a credit card. You can basically enter in your email address, and that's it. I'm also going to show you a way you can redeem Amazon gift cards, if that's what you prefer, and I will make sure to only reveal the best and most efficient way to do it. I'll share with you how to get an easy way to generate easy money. The first thing I want you to do is to connect to the website, and I'm going to reveal its name in a few seconds. Now once you are here, you have two options. You can either create an account by entering in your first name, last name, email address, and password. Or you can sign up with Facebook, which might be a little bit easier. You should be able to see that these guys are providing you with a few different ways of withdrawing your money. The first one of them would be PayPal. And you can withdraw your profits straight into your PayPal balance. You've also got Amazon gift cards, Visa, Steam, and eBay. Whichever option you choose, that is completely up to you. But I am here to show you the most efficient ways of generating points, and in turn generating profits. And here is a brief explanation of how the website works. Basically, they are looking for members and survey takers. They will ask you to give your opinion on market research and earn points, and you will redeem your points for gift cards and PayPal rewards. These are just a few examples of rewards that their members have got so far, and you can do your own research on the web in some independent sources in order to see whether or not this is worth your time. But I'm going to show you the only most efficient ways that you can generate points, so you don't waste a lot of time in the process. Because when most people connect to this website, they end up spending a lot of time and effort in the things that don't really make a lot of profits. They don't generate good results. And I don't want you to end up there. It can be quite frustrating. And I don't want you to give up on the process too early. And they've got reviews on websites such as Trustpilot, Survey Police, and SiteJabber. You can do your own research and take a look at that. I'm only going to show you one example of a review so that you can make an opinion. Now, as you can see here, the name of the website is prizerebel.com. And I want you to connect to prizerebel.com, sign up, and then we can move on to the second step of the method. But now, a thing that I wanted to point out is that they also have some testimonials on the website. You don't necessarily have to read and trust those. You can do your own research and see for yourself whether or not this is worth your time. It is important, however, that you form your own opinion, guys. And this is just an example of a review that you can read by connecting to surveycool.com. As you can see, this user goes into great detail about the website and its features. And you can read this and feel free to do it if you're interested. Otherwise, just stick to the videos, to my instructions, and that is how you are going to generate profits. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Money Reel channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new Money Reel videos for you guys. We are now moving on to the second step of the method, and in order to illustrate that I have just signed into my account, this is the home page of PrizeRebel is going to look like. And as you can see, they've got a lot of different features that we are going to discuss. But now, before I go in depth about the things that you can do on this website in order to generate points, I want you to get a sense of how much money you can get, and how quickly. And if we go over to the rewards section, we can see our withdrawal options. The first one of them is the $5 Amazon gift card, which is one of the most popular. And that would cost you about 500 points now. The PayPal option. The PayPal gift card that is also $5 will cost you 500 points as well, and the minimum threshold that allows you to withdraw your money is 200 points, or otherwise $2. And you can get the numbers and gift cards of only $2 if you wish to. But that is not all, because if you guys come over to the newest gift card section, as you can see, they will give you different gift cards that you can use in certain games such as League of Legends. And they've got a lot of categories here, such as travel, gaming, arts, and crafts, and so on. I will let you discover those, but another significant feature is that you can see the recent rewards right here on the right-hand side now. Certain people are withdrawing cash cards, such as the $10 PayPal money gift card, the $5 one. But you can also choose to withdraw a custom amount, just like this user has done. Moving back to their homepage, as you can see clearly here, by completing this daily survey you will get 54 points. And remember, you only need to have 200 points in order to redeem your first gift card. Now this other survey that you can complete every day will give you 70 additional points. And that means that you only have to complete 4 of these surveys to get your first gift card. And that is not too low in order to understand the process. Completely different advertisers are willing to pay thousands of dollars in order to get your honest opinion. And they will connect to PrizeRebel.com. They will pay them a certain amount of money in order to get your honest feedback. Now in return, PrizeRebel will give you a percentage of their earnings. It is not too much, but is still considerable in order to give your opinion, and write a few lines of text, maybe answer a few questions that are just multiple choice. So, it's really easy, beginner friendly. It's a no-brainer really. But now an additional feature that I enjoy about this website is the fact that the more active you are, the more chances you've got of generating even more profits. As you can see here, if you log into your account for 5 days consecutively, and you actually complete surveys, and are active on the platform, you will get an additional reward of 25 points. And they've got a lot more bonuses, such as that one. Now something worth mentioning is their daily raffle. And if you click on this button here, you can see what it's all about. They are basically giving away 22 restaurant gift cards. As you can see now, the daily raffles are just an additional feature, but you can focus on the things that you can do, activities, in order to get some extra cash. And those are the surveys and the offer walls. If you click on the offer walls button, you will be redirected to this section of the website, where you can start completing your daily survey, and that will give you 71 points. But as you can see on this bar right here, on the top of the page, they've got a lot of different surveys that you can take advantage of. These are offered by different providers, such as AdGate, OfferTour, AdGem, and so on. So basically they are putting together all of these separate websites, so you can have a single account and still take advantage of all of them. And now all of these ways are basically generating active income for you. And that means you need to be actively involved. You need to be in front of your computer in order to make this work, or at least in front of your mobile phone. So, you need to be doing something actively, otherwise you will not be generating any money. In order to also generate some passive income, they have put together a referral program that you can take advantage of without doing anything special. All you have to do is grab this link on the left-hand side and share it with your friends. And that will give you 100 to 500 extra points in a single day. Just take a look here, as they briefly describe the process here. You would first have to refer a friend. You will passively earn money, and then you will redeem your rewards, and it really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And I know you like exact figures. So, they are going to give you that literally means that whenever one of your friends that you referred redeems their profits, you will get a 15% commission. And if you decide to take advantage of this website, make sure to also take a look at your affiliate program, and try to use that for additional bonuses, because otherwise, you would be leaving money on the table. And that's it. You can now start earning money easily from your home. That's it. I hope this video can help you to make real money online. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this content, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get more tips and tricks on how to make real money online. If you have a question, feel free to comment on down below. See you on the next video, guys.